Hey, everyone! Are you looking to get rid of diarrhea quickly? Well, having a healthy diet is one key component to getting back on your feet. In this video, we will discuss 5 superfoods to eat when you have diarrhea. Eating these foods will boost your energy, assist with nutrient absorption, and support your digestive system. So, let's get started. 1. Bananas is packed with potassium and magnesium. Bananas make for a great snack when you have diarrhea. Their low fat content and digestible carbs can help make you feel better. 2. Broth. Not only does chicken broth provide hydration, it can also help you feel full and improve your digestion. 3. Oats. High in fiber and easily digestible, oats are an ideal food for anyone with diarrhea. Have a bowl or 2 of porridge for a nutritious meal that won't upset your stomach. 4. Applesauce. Applesauce is high in pectin, a type of fiber that soothes the digestive tract and helps bind loose stools. 5. Ginger tea. Ginger tea contains anti-inflammatory compounds that can help alleviate diarrhea and reduce nausea. Drink a few cups to help quicken your recovery. Eating these superfoods helps to reduce your symptoms and will help you to feel better quicker. As always, speak to your doctor if your diarrhea persists or if you experience any other concerning symptoms. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe.